mama guys, everything about you so sexy. Bargain bit. Kind of look like I've pooed my pants. This just looks like some weird little underwear thing now. Like what? Yes, so Misha did some damage in Zara. Whoopsies. And I posted a photo with my Zara bags on my Instagram story, and you guys were like, you better do a haul. And I was like, okay, if that excuses my spending spree. So yes, it's okay though, because like they were bargain pieces for Zara. They were still quite expensive for other places, but for Zara they were good. So let's get a wiggle on. Let's start some Zara sales hauling. So first things first that I should probably mention is the headband that I'm wearing right now. This is from Zara. Yes, I know I look like a fortune teller. I can't help that. I can see into the future, and I can see that there are a lot of good Zara sales at the moment. I don't know what this accent is. It's going into a bit Scottish, a bit Irish, a bit everything. Okay, so yes. These headbands were originally £7.99 and I got it for £5.99. So that's literally like £2 off, but £2 still counts. And I say these headbands, I may have got, did I get 3 or 4 different ones? I swear I had another one as well. Oh, it's over there. Let me go grab it. I got 4 of them. Well, me and Mum are sharing, so it's kind of acceptable, 2 each. Ta-da! All 4. So, I'm sporting this one right now. Don't know if I'm wearing it correctly. Like, I honestly don't know how you're supposed to wear these headbands, but I think they look quite cool, so I'm gonna try. And yeah, this is currently the situation I'm dealing with. Let me know if there's like any YouTubers out there that show you how to rock these, because I am not that YouTuber. And then we've also got this one. Yes, they're all like very brightly coloured, perfect for summertime, and I just think they're adorable. And yeah, £5.99, so £6, so 2 for 12. That's not that bad. 2 for 12 isn't awful. Or 4 for 24 if you're Misha and Kesha. Whoopsies. Okay, then next. So I'm gonna go to a little bit more of a raunchy piece. And I know you're like, oh, Misha. And actually, it was Mama Grimes that picked this up. So it's actually, oh, Mama Grimes. So it's one of those like sexy little lace bodysuits. Now, I find these so useful to wear underneath things. And that's why I picked this one up. It was originally nearly £20. So it was £19.99. I hate the fact people put 99. I'm like, just make it £13. Like, I know it's supposed to be tricky over the eye and you just go, oh, it's only £12. No, £19, sorry. But it was £12.99 in the sale. This is a size small and these are just really, really useful to wear underneath things. And I have a little idea of on top of things. So this next item, mind me whilst I bend, I'm not sure whether people are gonna love it or hate it. And I know that not everything I like, everyone will like, and that is a-okay. So this is a bodysuit. Now this pattern is like a stripe, but it has white text on me, and it says, text on me? Text on it. Gosh, I am tired. And it says, my wish, your desire. Oi oi, a little bit sexual. Well, actually probably not, just dirty mind Misha. But can we see, it's like a full length bodysuit, and then it's got these, oh, that's the tag for my headband. And then it's got these long sleeves with like a floofy bit and like a really exaggerated shoulder. It's very Princess Diana vibes. That's the sort of shape that I'm getting. And I just thought this was really cool and really unique. And I understand that not everyone's gonna love it, but that is okay. This also gave me major Dior vibes. I think because of like the stripes and the pattern, I just thought it was very Dior. And this was originally £17.99 and was reduced to £9.99. Sorry, itchy nose. For £10, I couldn't not have it. Like, it was just daylight robbery. And the thing that I don't know if this will work, and like this may look awful, but I was thinking, what about if I wore the lace bodysuit over the other bodysuits? You know, like double bodysuiting. Thought it could look quite nice. let's now look at the trial clip and probably laugh at Misha because it looks dreadful, but it was worth a try. So here is the bodysuit, just the DIOR style bodysuit by itself. Obviously I would wear pants with it, but I feel like to give you guys the full gist, I have to go trouserless. So yes, adorable. I love these sleeves. I know it's so extra, but if you are new to my channel, I am the epitome of extra. So this is right up my street. And let's grab this little lacy number and see what it looks like over the top. I feel like wearing a bodysuit over a bodysuit is a tad excessive, but people, live life by your own rules. If someone tells you you can't wear 2 bodysuits, you wear 2 bodysuits. Don't completely live life by your own rules though, like don't do anything illegal. Okay, this is gonna probably look awful. I don't know actually. I feel like this kind of looks quite cool. If I had like a black bottoms, like let's pretend the top I was wearing earlier is a skirt, and I'm just gonna put it on just so we can see. Okay, this is really not gonna give you the gist, but I was thinking something a bit more. This just looks like some weird little underwear thing now. Like what are those thingies called, like stockings or something? But I do quite like these two together. Next up, we have these trousers, which I love. You guys seem to love on my Insta stories. Yes, if you don't follow me at Misha_Grimes, you get little secret little snippets here and there. You might want to, I don't know. Let me know if you come and follow. But we've got these trousers. Now, I said I look like a tree hugger in these, but I quite like that vibe. And also I spelled hugger wrong. I put it H-U-G-R rather than H-U-G-G-R, but YOLO. So these are a paper bag waist pant, and they're very exaggerated. Like they are very OTT, but I mean, I'm the epitome of OTT. So this is the waistband. Yeah, we tie that up, make it all cinchy. And then this is just one of the legs. Like literally one of the legs is as wide as me. They are huge, but I love it because it's such an optical illusion, because you can cinch in the waist and then it makes you look like you've got a really little waist and then like more broad hips, which I need because I need some shaping. That's why I love them. When I first put them on, I was like, Mum, do they not look ridiculous? And she was like, no, Mish, they look lush. So I think they were originally £40 and they were reduced to £20, and I got them in a size extra small and they fit really, really nicely. I love them. They're sort of like a, not a linen, is that like a linen-y cotton? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. 100% cotton. So they are quite creasy because of that, but because you know it's a natural fibre, it creases easily. Hashtag GCSE textiles. I'm a tree! But then again, actually the trunk of a tree is brown, so I'm like massive leaves of a tree. But yes, these are the pants. I understand that on camera they're probably not portraying themselves in all of their leafy glory, but I can promise you that they are glorious. I might even try and take you back here, but you will see a lot of rubbish. That's the only problem. Can we see? Can we see a little bit more? We still can't quite see them. It's difficult, people. If YouTube could create like a flip screen where then it could go sideways, that would be brilliant, but they're still adorable. And yes, I know they're very OTT and they kind of look like I've pooed my pants, but maybe I have. Next we have something that I really don't know whether I'll keep, and I actually got 2 of them. So there's this one, as we can see it's a belt, and then there's also the black one. I have a feeling I'm just gonna end up keeping the black one, or maybe I'm wrong, but these are those like wicker belts that I've been seeing all over Instagram lately, and I do think they're quite cool. Like look at that. Like they're quite jazzy. They were originally £17.99 for a belt, but they were actually £12.95, which is still, oh wait, £12.99, sorry. But that's still quite expensive for a belt, but they are like very thick, and what I like is that you can make them as big or as small and there's no need for holes. So first of all, I got the black wicker one, and then I got the more like creamy, summery one as well, with a clear sort of buckle. And I was just thinking, maybe they'll look nice, maybe they'll look good with summer dresses, or maybe I'll just look like I'm trying to be really cool. And I actually didn't realise, but I got them in 2 different sizes. So this one is a size UK 34, and this one is a UK 30. So this one might have a little bit of excess, but it's fine. We don't mind a bit of excess. I'm always that person with excess baggage, and I mean in life and in travels. Lol. Okay, let's move on to something spotty. As we can see, I'm totally addicted to spots lately. And I mean, baby pink, palazzo, the wide leg, long splitty trousers that are baby pink and spotty were just like calling my name. Mum actually originally picked these up, and then I was like, oh, should I try them on? And I did, and I really liked them. So I got them in a size small, and I didn't get them in an extra small because I like these to sit lower on my hips. I feel like it's more flattering. And these were originally £29.99, and they were reduced to £19.99. And yeah, I mean, Zara trousers are probably one of my faves. I feel like Zara's trousers are the nicest fit of trousers. And yeah, I love them. They're beautiful. Yas, yas. They are in my basket to stay. So people, you know when you love something, but you don't quite realise how much you love it? What is that saying? So about you don't know how much you love someone until you let them go. I mean, I never do that, but I'm talking about clothes right now. So, yes, these trousers. I know from like where you guys are sitting, standing, lying, napping, I don't know what you guys are doing, whatever you're doing, they probably look quite sacky, but I do think like in person they look very sophisticated, and these bits of hair are literally going to be electric like pinky red in a second unless they stay out of my mouth. Okay, yes. So I just think these are so cool. They've got pockets, which just makes things so much better. And then they've got these little slits, which I quite like. I think I might take up these trousers and make them sort of like trainer appropriate, because I don't think I would necessarily wear this sort of like really girly pattern in like the night time with heels. I feel like I'd go a bit more sexy. Everything about you so sexy. Apart from nothing about me is sexy. Let's move on to the next piece. Oh wait, I was gonna say final item, but I'm wrong. We've got this top. Now I tried on this top so long ago, and I was like, oh, I really want to order it online. I'll get it next time I'm in London, and then I never ended up getting it. And then I saw it was on sale, and I was like, it was meant to be. Life is good. And when I first saw it, they only had a size large and a size medium. Now on my top half, I cannot get away with that sort of size. I do not have the boobs of a size medium or a size large. I have the boobs of a 12-year-old child. No, 12-year-olds have bigger boobs than me. A 4-year-old. So they actually ended up having it in a small, which Mum literally found as we were paying, and it was originally £25.99. It was reduced to £17.99, and it's a very Misha top. It's a very Misha neckline with showing proudly the fact I have no bosom, and then it's got this like peplum so you can eat because it covers the bloat, which is brilliant. See, I absolutely love this. Even the small is a little bit big on my chest, but they didn't have an extra small, so I was like, I'd rather have it and flash a nipple or two than not have it. Priorities. Have you ever seen a more adorable top in your whole damn life? I don't think you have, person watching this. I don't. Granted, I need to learn how to tie these, but just look, I know obviously that if you had a slightly bigger bosom, you may have side boob problems, but I don't. Yay! I think I may have just flashed my whole that area. But again, this reminds me of very like little kid vibes, because I feel like you dress your child and stuff like this, just minus the neckline, but the puffy. Definitely not the neckline. bit much for a 4-year-old. Then again, I'm 4 years old and I'm wearing it. So yes, I think this is so adorable. Doesn't go with these trousers, but who cares, and the top's this darn cute. And then the final piece is giving me major Lorna Luxe vibes. And it's this little crop top. Can we see that I'm really into this sort of exaggerated puffy sleeve? I just think it's adorable. It is quite big considering it's an extra small, and this panel here is like a little bit too wide. So what me and Mum are thinking is I'm gonna like stitch it together so it's a little bit more flattering. But this was originally £25.99 and I paid £19. And yeah, I just think that's quite a good price considering what good quality this is and considering it's Zara. But then again, it is a crop top, so that isn't that good price. Depressing. Yeah, it's really sad because I love Zara, but it is quite a bit more expensive than like your Pretty Little Thing and your Primark and stuff like that. So me and Zara have a love-hate relationship. I love it, my bank account hates it. But you know, I was doing it for the sake of the haul to show you guys what bargain bits you can get from Zara. That was really good alliteration. Bargain bits. Ow, oh, I think I just broke my wrist. Not literally, but that really hurt. Ouchies. Same day, different cute top. Apparently, I don't own enough white tops, which is totally a lie, but it doesn't mean it stops me. Look how adorable this is. Again, this is very much like a hit or miss item. I know it's not going to be everyone's cup of tea, but it's still mine. Do you see what I mean about how this just needs like scrunching? Because I feel like that sort of, it's not like a straight cut, it's not like a circle cut. I don't know if a circle cut is a thing, but I just think it needs a little bit of fixing and then it will be perfect. I love this, especially with this headband. Like, I know it's major like fortune teller, that was what I was looking for. Fortune teller vibes, like I said earlier, but I quite like that vibe. And yeah, I'm a gypsy, are you coming with me? Yeah, I feel like a belly dancer, that's true. Apart from I don't think a belly dancer wears spotty trousers. Anyway, okay, so sadly I actually don't know whether all these pieces will be in stock when this video is going up, but I will link all the items that I can find that are in stock, and then also I will link any alternatives that like other brands are selling the exact same piece. So if you like them, you can pick them up. But yes, I'm going to love you and leave you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this little quick Zara haul. This is probably quite a short video for me because I ramble on. But if I keep on rambling, I think I might fall asleep in a minute because I'm bored of myself. So yes, I'm going to love you and leave you. Toodle pip. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all next time. Hopefully, if you do decide to subscribe. And if you don't, then I'll never forgive you. So, bye! Mwah.